Many must be curious about signs and symptoms of fatty liver disease. Fatty liver is one of the common health issues nowadays, and when the liver asks for help, you mustn't ignore it. The liver is second largest organ of the human body and is responsible for various body functions and detoxification that assures your health and wellness. The liver functioning is very important, so is the healthy liver. The liver secretes the bile process and maintains amino acids. It generates albumin, produces metabolism, and filters blood by flushing all impurities, and this process can make it suffer a lot. Signs and symptoms of fatty liver disease. 1. Fatigue. The liver is responsible for maintaining the energy level and metabolism level and stores body energy to use whenever needed. If your liver becomes fatty or damaged, the process gets interrupted and you always feel exhausted. You may feel fatigued even after sleeping well and without doing any hard work, though fatigue can trigger you by other causes too. 2. Pain or soreness in the right upper position of the abdomen. The liver diseases include fatty liver, hepatitis, adding hepatitis A, B, and C, liver cancer, and liver abscess. All these ailments can cause pain or soreness in the right upper position of the abdomen, the exact place of the liver. Hepatitis is a chronic and serious infection that can damage liver cells and cause liver failure. Other hepatitis signs contain fever, headache, loss of appetite, and joint pain. 3. Weakness. As we said before, the liver has to perform numerous major functions in the body, and when the process gets disturbed, you may feel weakness in the whole body. According to a study, 25% of people face liver dysfunction and scarring known as cirrhosis. Maybe the symptoms can be slow in the early stage, but most people feel chronic fatigue and weakness due to fatty liver. 4. Loss of weight. Sudden weight loss can occur due to various conditions, and fatty liver is one of them. Severe weight loss can also be a sign of liver damage. The whole body and immune system get busy to fix the trouble, and lack of appetite makes you malnourished and causes loss of weight that you mustn't ignore. 5. Loss of appetite. Lack of appetite is included in the early symptoms of liver damage and fatty liver. When all the toxins cannot get out from your body and affect the liver and circulate in the blood, you feel the loss of appetite. 6. Jaundice. Jaundice is the signs of severe fatty liver disease. The increment of liver toxins can be turned out in jaundice. Too many toxins that damage liver release a component known as bilirubin that is yellowish. It spreads rapidly in the organs, blood vessels, which results in yellow skin tones and yellow nails and eyes. Even non-alcoholic fatty liver can also cause jaundice. You feel excess tiredness and weakness. One can easily detect liver damage signs by checking the nails, eyes, and pale skin color. 7. Changes in skin color. The liver damage directly affects the metabolism level in the body that can cause organ damage that is responsible for changing skin color. It may appear darker or much paler than normal. The increased iron mixed with the sweat glands and makes your skin color looks dark, and this is not a good sign, and you must consult an expert as soon as possible. 8. Swelling in the leg. In the case of cirrhosis or liver damage, or fatty liver can cause swelling in the legs and feet. You may not see a symptom of swelling in the early stage. If it remains for a long time, the blood circulation in the legs through the spleen gets affected and becomes a reason for fluid accumulation in the legs and feet and causes swelling in the feet and abdomen. 9. Nose bleeding. Nose bleeding is often considered a normal issue, and if you feel constant nose bleeding, you must be aware that the fatty liver can cause nose bleeding. When the liver gets damaged, it becomes unable to generate platelets that help in blood clotting. The fatty liver results easily bruising, nose bleeding, and gums problems, and you must ask for a doctor's help. 10. The buildup of fluid in the abdomen. The condition is also known as ascites, when too much fluid starts building in the abdomen due to cirrhosis or scarring in the liver. When the liver tries to stop the inflammation, the liver cells cannot fix the damage, and scar continuously affects the liver. It causes fluid buildup in the abdomen. You may also feel dark urine color due to dysfunctional liver. 11. Skin rash and itching. If your skin is not much sense and you notice constant skin itching and rashes on the skin and the satiation gets worse in the night, especially on the hands, feet, palms, and legs, it can be a prior symptom of fatty liver and liver damage. When the liver can't flush out the toxins from the body, these toxins stay in the body, and our feet and hands are the tips of blood circulation, so they get affected easily and you can have rashes and itching that can irritate you badly.